Even after 20 years in the mortgage business, buying a home after my divorce was one of the scariest things I've ever done. I call that house my survival home because that's exactly what it was, survival. When I separated from my husband, I had to downsize. And while I was helping others buy their dream homes, I was quietly trying to figure out where me and my kids would go next. I felt embarrassed and angry and overwhelmed, and I would just sit and cry in my car. And I would think, this is not how this was supposed to go. But I had a team. I had friends and people in my corner who could still help me build something stable, even if it looked different. That home wasn't fancy, and it wasn't the one I dreamed of, but it was mine. And I'll never forget sitting at the closing table, how proud and heartbroken I was all at once. Proud that I could provide for my kids, and guilty, feeling proud I could do this when so many women can't right after divorce. But that closing, those keys represented strength and proof that I could stand on my own 2 feet. And that season taught me that home isn't always about beauty or space. Sometimes it's just about safety and the foundation that you can build from when times get hard in life. So if you're in that kind of place, if you're scared or you're starting over or you're trying to survive, I would love to help you. Download my home buyer roadmap, and you do not have to figure out all of this all on your own. You just need the next right steps. Let's connect and get you started today.